Hi friends, myself Sandesh, I'm Raghav. Today we are going to cover basic Excel training. So instead of telling on theories, so we will straight away go to demo part. So this is sample file we have taken here. In this we are going to cover the basic Excel. First, I will show you how to open the Excel sheet. If you come to search option in your screen, here you type Excel, you will get an option like this way. Based on the Excel version you are having, you will get this application. Right now, I am going to teach you on Excel 2016. There are different versions. Okay. One way you can select here, it will open a new sheet. After opening the sheet, you can see these are all boxes. You can imagine your maths textbook in your school days. This is the boxes. You can see the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these things. These are all rows. In Excel, we call it as rows. The alphabets you can see on the top A, B, C, D, E. These are all columns. This full, if you select on the F, you can, the range is selected. Like whatever is selected right now, we call it as range in Excel. If you select 5, the full range is selected. Or if you want to select only particular, you can select like this way or like this. These are all range in Excel. Or if you want to select all this one, right? So before going for further, if you are not still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and support. You can find me in YouTube with Sandesh M. Raghav. Yes. Now, in this cells, you can start typing. In this, you can type text values, any text values you can type. You can type numbers or both you can type. And all the formulas normally in Excel, it will start with equals. So, we have seen just opening the sheet. Now, before going further, we'll see how to save it. Here, there is an option called File. Click on File. You can use Save, then Save As. If it is already saved, you can use it Save. Otherwise, click on Save As. Select the folders where you want and give the name what you wanted. My first Excel file. Now it is saved. If you want, you can use it here, save button, use it, and you can notice that there is an option called Control S. You can use using this save button, or you can just press Control S to save the file. Now we are closing this. You can notice the file is saved here. If you want, we can open and check it, right? So whatever we have done entry, it is available. Next, we will see on the any folder on or on desktop, just click on right click, just click right click in your mouse, click on new, you will see an option called Microsoft Excel. Click that. The first step what you have done, you open the Excel, then you saved it. The second step is you save the Excel sheet now. My second file. Now you open it. You can use both the approaches. I hope you are getting my point. Now we will see the demo part which is planned for the day. So if you are not still subscribed, please subscribe now. We will go for the day one class. Today we are going to cover additions, right? So in this we are going to cover addition part, how to add data in Excel sheet. For this we have taken a sample fruits and count with minimum data. So if you want to make a total of it, first way, I'm going to cover different ways you can use it. Whichever is comfortable to you, you can use it. The first one, select the range. Now you can notice here in Excel in the footer, you can see the sum of amount. It's 460 and it is showing the count 4 and average 150. If you want to customize this, you can right click on this. You can add further. If you want what is the minimum value in this, you can click it. What is the maximum value, you can take it. Now, if you notice here, you can see earlier only sum, count, average was there. Now you can see the minimum value and maximum value also. Next, we will go for plus formula. Here we want to do equals, select the cell, press on plus button, select next cell, plus button, select the next cell, plus button and select the next cell. Now you click on N. This way you can get the total 460. Next we are going to use sum formula. Here in this cell we are going to type equal SUM bracket open, select this range, close the bracket. This is sum formula we are going to cover. Fourth one, I don't want to use sum formula like this way. I want shortcut. So shortcut is select the cell and click on Alt equals. If you press Alt plus equals, automatically the sum formula will be taken and the range also automatically selected. Please check the range is correct. If it is okay, then just press enter. Now we got the value same total with 460. Now another scenario. We want to make a total from the range, but we want to make a total only the value which is greater than 100. How to do this now? Whether first we will do filter, all these things. No, we don't know that much right now. We will cover first basics now. In this, we can use simple formula here. You select the range. Here, select the cell now. Click on equals. Type sum if. Open the bracket. Select the range. Press comma. Put a double quote. Here, you type greater than 100. Close the double quotes and close the bracket. In this, you can use lesser than also, right? You can use it. Now press enter. Now you can see it has come 3 not 1 year because it is taking the values which is greater than 100 only. If this value is 50, then we are getting the total of only 200. Or if this value is 500, it is going to take 200 plus 500 total 700. So what it is doing, it is doing only the total which is greater than 100. Next, if you want to add 200 for this, we can do it. We can use simple formula equals sum, open the bracket, select the range, press comma, just type 200, close the bracket. We got 660. The answer is 460, but we added 200, so it is 660. Not only addition, we can do subtraction also. The same thing we can try here. Equals sum, open the bracket, select the range, press comma. Now you type minus 200, close the bracket. This way you can do subtraction after doing sum. So the total is 460. So we are reducing 200. So answer is 260. Now another few basics we need to cover, like something we have done here, typed everything, but we want to do the same task. For this we can use copy paste. One way, select the cells, right click. There is an option called cut and copy. Cut means it will delete here and paste it wherever you want it. Or you click on copy. This copy will be there. Here, right click, paste. This is by using right click. Now the same thing you can do by using the shortcut, right? For example, select the cell, press Ctrl C. This is for copy. Wherever you want, you select the cell and press Ctrl V. This is copy paste shortcut. Yes. Now let's see how to do multiple values together sum. Here I want to make a total of quantity also. I want to make a total of amount also. In this case, no need to type separately formulas. Just select the cell here and press Alt equals. Now you got the answer, right? So this way you can use this way you can make a total of multiple range. And the last one for the day. Now we are going to do average also. For this, you have already seen if I select this, we are getting average 115. Same thing we can use in formula equals average. Open the bracket, select the range, close the bracket. You got the answer. So these are all just basics. You can start, but every time whenever using, after few minutes or something, click on save. Otherwise, you may lose the data. Chances are there. Or you press Ctrl S. Shortcut key to save the file is Ctrl S. Now do it. Afterwards, you can close this. So this way you can start using the Excel and you can be a master after some time. So I hope this helps you. Please give your comments and we will try to cover other topics in the next session. Thank you.